car is extremely clean. The 41,000 mile car that somebody restored. When you start with a super clean car to begin with, you get a really, really nice end result. I'm just sitting in here looking. The dash is like new, all the knobs sparkle. I just opened the ashtray and it's spotless. So I looked at the lighter element, it's never been used. Even underneath the car, zero rust, all painted satin black. The whole front end has been apart and rebuilt. The engine compartments all been apart and rebuilt and detailed. The body and paint are flawless on the car. All the trim, every piece, the turn signal bezels, the grille, the rails on top of the bed, even inside the bed, there's no dents or dings. This car's a sweetheart. I mean, this thing's really nice. Everyone working here that goes by the car says, wow, that thing's nice. It's got a 302. They put a 4-barrel on it. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. Radial redline tires on the GT wheels. Even the spare behind the seat is a brand new matching spare. The jack is in its place. Tons of literature too. Books, manuals, the Marty report. All sorts of paperwork will come with this car. It's real nice.